Imagine if your Google Ads optimization score became 100% in just a few clicks. Sound good, right? Let's see how you can achieve 100% optimization score in Google Ads. Navigate to Google Ads account, move on recommendation, then select the campaign where we want to achieve 100% optimization score. Here we can see that current optimization score is 71.5%. Now scroll a bit, and here we can see that Google is giving us recommendation: remove conflicting negative keywords. Sometimes by mistake we add negative keywords that block our main keywords. As a result, our ads fail to reach the audience. This recommendation is useful for us. So now we will remove these conflicting keywords. Let's click on apply all and again click on apply all. And here we can also see that Google recommended at board match keywords and use display expansion. This recommendation not useful for us, so we will not apply them. Click on three dot icon, then dismiss all. You can choose any option, then click on dismiss. Also for use display expansion, click on three dot icon, dismiss all, dismiss. We can see our optimization score has reached 100%. In this way, by applying the Google recommendations that are useful for us and dismissing the ones that are not useful, we can increase our campaign's optimization score.